little bit faster and move out of it. A bit too fast now. Now I finished my unload on the go, so I'm going to put my auger back. We just finished lunch and Dad's heading back into the field. Just wait until you pull the cart out until I have my auger going back. That can kind of signify. It's a few hours later and I am already on my last row of this 160-acre field, and I'm cresting the very top of this hill. So there's a really, really far view from up here. My dad's this far combine, and then Trevor's this combine, who I'll be passing in a second. It's pretty hazy out, and there's tons of flies on my window, so I'm just going to wipe them off with this button. Technically, I have the very last swath in this field as well. Even though Dad, Trevor, and I are all on our last swaths, mine all finished last. So then that means I'm on the last one. Trevor will just road back up to the top of the field because there's not another up row. It's so cool to go down a hill, even though the hill doesn't look very steep. On video, you definitely do feel it. Have to wave, of course. I will also be doing my last unload on the go, which is going to be quite exciting. I don't know if the grain cart driver sees my auger or not yet. Okay, it looks like he does. He typically will pull up and then really slow down and has a tough time matching the speed, so I'll usually tell him my speed so that he can try and relate that to whatever tractor speed will work out. This swath has a few hills up and down, so it makes it a little bit more of a challenging unload on the go as a combine driver, but it's not too bad. The tough ones are when you're on a sideways slant. Those can be difficult. Under my auger soon. He was really good with lining up for this one.
Trevor, when you get down to that end, we'll probably move to this side and work up and down because the cart guy will never get it.